20 must-know Excel shortcuts that will save you hours. This is the Excel file we'll be working with. Let's jump into the first shortcut. Number 20, freeze top row. We've all been there, scrolling down in a massive dataset, and suddenly, you can't see the header anymore. To solve this, press Alt plus W plus F plus R to freeze the top row. Now, as you scroll, the header stays in place, making it easier to understand your data. If you want to remove the freeze, just go to the View tab and click Unfreeze Panes. Easy. Number 19, navigation with control arrows. To quickly navigate around a large data set, use the Ctrl plus arrow keys. This allows you to jump to the edges of your data, whether it's at the top, bottom, left, or right. You can also select cells faster with Ctrl plus Shift plus arrow keys. For example, to select columns, press Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow. Number 18, fill data with Ctrl R and Ctrl D. Want to quickly copy data to the right or down? Use Ctrl plus R to copy left to right and Ctrl plus D to copy down. This saves you from manually entering repetitive data. Number 17, paste drop-down list, Alt plus down arrow. When adding new data and want to fill in drop-down options quickly, press Alt plus down arrow to open the drop-down menu and select a value faster. Number 16, select rows and columns. To select an entire row, press Shift plus space, and to select an entire column, use Ctrl plus space. Once selected, use Ctrl plus Shift plus plus to add a new row or column, and Ctrl plus minus to remove them. Number 15, move rows or columns. Need to move a row or column? Select it with Shift plus space, for rows, or Ctrl plus space, for columns, then hover over the edge until the cursor turns into arrows. Click and drag to move it around. Number 14, auto-space text in a cell, Alt plus Enter. If you want to split the text in a single cell into multiple lines, simply press Alt plus Enter. This will break the text into separate lines within the same cell. Number 13, add comments, Shift plus F2. To add a comment to a cell, select the cell and press Shift plus F2. You can now leave feedback or notes without cluttering your worksheet. Number 12, navigate to specific row, Ctrl plus G. If you need to jump to a specific row or cell, press Ctrl plus G to bring up the Go To dialog. Enter the row number, example 100, and Excel will take you directly to that location. Number 11, flash fill, Ctrl plus E. When you want to autofill data based on a pattern, use Ctrl plus E. Excel will automatically fill the rest of your data based on what you've entered. Super useful for formatting names, dates, or number. Number 10, sum data Alt plus equals. To quickly sum a column of numbers, select the empty cell at the bottom of your data, and press Alt plus equals. Excel will automatically insert a sum formula and calculate the total for you. Number 9, copy column and paste as values, Ctrl plus Alt plus V. Copying a column of data and pasting it somewhere else can sometimes bring formulas that you don't want. To paste just the values, press Ctrl plus Alt plus V, then select Values and hit OK. Number 8, formatting shortcuts, Ctrl plus 1. Open the Format Cells dialog box, press Ctrl plus 1. You can change number formatting, fonts, fills, and more. This is perfect for quick formatting changes. Number 7, find and replace, Ctrl plus H. Got a typo or need to replace something across the whole spreadsheet? Press Ctrl plus H to open the Find and Replace dialog. Type the word you want to find, replace it, and hit Replace All. Number 6, filter by selected cell, right-click Filter by selected cell's value. When you want to filter by a specific value, simply right-click the cell and choose Filter by selected cell's value. It instantly filters your dataset based on that value. Number 5, insert slicer for filtering, Ctrl plus T. Convert your data into a table by pressing Ctrl+T, then go to Table Design and click Insert Slicer. You can now easily filter data by categories like states, dates, or sales reps. Number 4, using the large function for top-n values. Want to find the top 3 sales? Use the large function. For the first highest value, type equals large, range 1. For the second and third, adjust the rank in the function, large, range 2, for the second, etc. Number 3, view formulas, Ctrl+ right parenthesis. If you want to see all formulas in your spreadsheet, press Ctrl+ grave accent, backtick. This will display all the formulas, helping you troubleshoot or check calculations quickly. Number 2, trace precedence, Alt+T+U+T. If you want to see where a formula is pulling its data from, use Alt+T+U+T. This shows you all the cells that feed into the formula, making it easier to audit your work. Number 1, bonus shortcut, quickly insert date and time. Want to insert the current date? Use Ctrl+semicolon. Need the current time? Press Ctrl+Shift+. These shortcuts are great for timestamps in reports. And there you have it. These Excel shortcuts can dramatically speed up your workflow and save you tons of time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your favorite Excel tip.